Hello friends, I am Priyanka Patel from VH Patel College of Arts and Science, Bilimora. Today we will get some information about poetry, its definition and classification of poetry. First of all, I want to share some basic information about poetry. What is poetry? Poetry is one of the earliest forms to have developed. It has origins in prehistorical times when people made use of poetic language, singing to the accompaniment of musical instrument. Thus, poetry existed in the oral form long before the invention of writing. The word poetry is derived from the ancient Greek word poetes, which means creator. Now we will discuss about some definition of poetry. There are many English writers who try to define poetry. Here is some definition of poetry. First definition given by William Henry Hudson. What he said? Poetry is an interpretation of life through imagination and feelings. Poetry is an interpretation. Here this word interpretation means arthgatan. Poetry is an interpretation of life through imagination and feeling. So, with the help of our imagination and feelings, we can interpret poetry. Next definition given by Thomas Carlyle. He said poetry was musical thought. And the last definition, which is given by Edgar Allan Poe, the poetry is the rhythmic creation of beauty. What is poetry? Poetry is rhythmic creation of beauty. There is a rhythm in poetry. So friends, you have to remember this all definition for exam. It's very important for you. You have to remember this all definition. Here this is here these two words, poetic truth and poetic license, is new for you. First of all, we will get some information about poetic truth. What is poetic truth? The truth that the poet present to the world is called poetic truth. What is poetic truth? The the truth that the poet present to the world is called poetic truth. In poetic truth, the poet looks beyond the surface level of truth. You have to remember this word, surface level of truth. In poetic truth, the poet looks beyond the surface level of truth. Surface level of truth means scientific and historical truth. I want to give example for poetic truth. While the poet and scientist may both deal with nature, their approaches are different. The poet awakens a sense of wonder at the mystery of the world around us, and the scientist, what did scientist do? The scientist tries to explain the mystery to us. Next, poetic truth is the freedom taken by a poet. Poetic truth is the truth which the poet present to the world. Next, we will discuss about poetic license. What is poetic license? Poetic license is a freedom taken by a poet to bend the convention of diction. With the help of poetic license, the poet manipulates languages and distort syntax. In short, poetic license is a one kind of liberty. You can say also poetic license is a one kind of freedom which is given to the poet. And now we will discuss about the classification of poetry. The vast body of poetry may be classified under two broad headings for the sake of convenience. First, objective poetry and subjective poetry. There is two types of poetry, the objective poetry and subjective poetry. Objective poetry. In objective poetry, the poet describes in an impersonal manner, and in subjective poetry, the poet describes his own personal feelings and emotions. Objective poetry. Objective poetry, the poet describes in impersonal manner. You have to remember the difference between objective poetry and subjective poetry. The poet describes in an impersonal manner in objective poetry, and in subjective poetry the poet describes his own personal feelings and emotion. Next point, the next point is that objective poetry came into existence when mankind had not yet learned to read and write. Objective poetry came into existence when mankind had not yet learned to read or write, and when subjective poetry came into existence, subjective poetry came into existence when people began to give importance to their thoughts, feelings and emotions. Here is difference between objective poetry and subjective poetry. You have to remember this difference between objective poetry and subjective poetry. Thank you, friends.